In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header text color in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to open the theme editor, and how to adjust the color scheme so your header text matches your brand and stays readable on any background. First, open your Shopify admin and head to the Themes area for your online store. This is where you control how your storefront looks and feels. Make sure you're working on the theme you want customers to see. If you're working on a draft, you can still make changes here and publish later. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you make visual changes and see them in real time. Give the preview a moment to load. Now, click the highlighted area that points you to the header settings in the left sidebar. This takes you to the controls that affect your store's header, including colors and typography. If your header looks different from the preview, don't worry. Shopify themes can label sections a little differently, but the highlighted target is guiding you to the right spot. Inside the header settings, click on the color scheme assigned to the header, often labeled Scheme 1. This scheme controls the palette used by that section. If your theme uses a different label, the idea is the same. You're opening the color scheme that your header relies on. Click Edit to open the detailed color controls for that scheme. This is where you can fine-tune the exact colors for text, backgrounds, and accents. Now, click the highlighted color swatch for the header text. Use the color picker or enter a hex value to choose the precise color you want. Aim for strong contrast against your header background so navigation links remain readable. Dark text works best on light backgrounds. Light or white text works best on dark backgrounds. Click the next highlighted control to adjust supporting text or link colors if your theme provides separate options. Matching these ensures your logo, menu, and utility links feel cohesive. Click the final highlighted picker to confirm any additional text-related color, such as hover or active states, if your theme exposes them. Preview how the menu and icons look as you hover and navigate between pages. You can also switch the device preview to see how it reads on mobile. When you're happy, click Save in the top right. Your changes are now live in that color scheme. If your header uses this scheme across your site, the new text color will appear wherever it's applied. If something doesn't look right, you can return here anytime to tweak the color